Hey everybody, Dave from Aerial Edge here. Wanted to get with you. Got a pretty cool little video here. About a week ago, had a pretty wicked crash with a commercial drone, mating flight. Had the motors. Right now, I'm temporarily using some motors off of Ostrich, and apparently one of them was damaged. I didn't see it, so the motor was not producing enough thrust, and in turn, on the maiden flight, it caused some major issues. So check it out. We're going to get rolling on that real quick here. If you have not seen it, check out the maiden flight on Ostrich. It's another crash video. I'll have it right up here, and stay tuned. All right, let's test one of Hawkeye. It's a large quad, commercial Army motors.
Motors on.
As you can see here, this is the aftermath. This is a week later, and well, you can see it did an effective job of removing some grass here. So got it fixed. I'm doing another rebuild on this thing. I've got some more stuff going on. This is can't get into too many details with this build, but you know, we'll do a video later once it's up and running and I get some information on it. So